Imagine capturing your audience's attention, live. Live streaming offers you more visibility and connection. But do traditional streams stress you out? Let's change that. With Restream, you can easily transform your videos into perfect live streams. Live streaming is a game changer for creators of all kinds. Social media loves live content, boosting your visibility. Pre-recorded streams ensure top-notch quality, even on slow networks. Schedule streams to take breaks without losing audience engagement. Independent creators and Fortune 500 companies trust this tool. Launch products with flair, just like Mercedes did with the EQC4. Run engaging product demos, like Adobe's real-time card designs. Maximize sales with pre-recorded pitches and live purchasing options, like Pair Eyewear. Extend entertainment and news 24/7, just as Tomorrowland does with music. Local news channels gain credibility by streaming live reports, just like PBS NewsHour. Over 9 million creators use Restream to connect with audiences. Will Sullivan from Shopify praises its versatility for all production styles. Dan Scarcelli highlights creative broadcasts reaching global corners. Chris Wilson enjoys maximum exposure with minimum effort. Why choose Restream? You get seamless live streaming without the usual stress. Connect, engage, and broadcast everywhere, all at once. Don't wait? Start live streaming today, and bring your recordings to life.